Is it money? Because if I just for the money, then it don't make sense. It not gonna last, you know. If I just for the money, it won't last. Somebody say if me did that as an original man, if the views would have been the same. My views are, if you are going to unite to the culture, it must be natural. Me must really feel like me want to make bygones be bygones because me see you as a human being who me rate. You understand? Or me see you as somebody who me love and respect. And we have a bad days, but a brighter days now. You understand? And that it for be. It not for be because I want opportunity. It not for be because I want piece of food there. It not for be because January, this is a big look and we have to sell a platinum with that song because I Kelly that put it out. You get what I'm saying? Wanna get what me really say? For me, based on what me know, and the amount of people try for everybody link up, and it never happened before, I think it's for the money. I think it's for the opportunity. I think it's for the big look. Whole heap of producer Jamaica tried, can't work. Whole heap of producer a foreign tried, it can't work. So no get me wrong, me love it. But me have to question it. And then at this time I got hate me for. At this time I got hate me for. Cause me just be honest. I mean, everybody want to talk about it, but fuck it. Me already the Tony Montana of dancehall. I mean, a Scarface of dancehall. Is it genuine? That is the real question. Is it genuine? Cause from over here, so when me I look, and I look in as a spectator, I cannot say if it's genuine. Cause a million people try if it happen. You can't even get them on the same rhythm. You can't even get them on a song. Jamaican producer will really put some of them artists up on them up. Can't get them on a collaboration. Can't get them in a one studio together. You get what I say, Gaga? Cannot get them in our studio together one time. So, somebody have to just say the truth. It's the truth. Is it genuine love? Is it really, okay, I don't hate you anymore? Is it, I don't hate you anymore and we are cool? Is it that? Or is it, I'm just going to go over there and smile because you don't know more.